How to change the name in Outlook Mail. So if you want to change your name in Outlook Mail, then first open up a browser and then you can simply choose any browser that you're comfortable with and search for Outlook. Once you've searched, you can go for the Outlook or the Microsoft Outlook, which is on the first search, and you can go for sign in, which is here on the bottom left, or you can go for the upper right, which has that sign in option. Click on sign in and you need to sign into your Outlook. And once you've signed into your Outlook, now what you can do is you won't have an option to change your name on Outlook, right? But what you need to do is you need to change your name on your Microsoft account. Go for the upper right, which has that profile icon or your profile. And here you can choose my Microsoft account and you can choose your Microsoft account. And here it will take you to this kind of page where you can simply go for your info, and under your info you will have your profile, your full name and your date of birth and all of your profile information. So if you want to change your name, you need to simply go for edit name, which is on the right side. And once you've choose, now you need to remove the last name or the first name that you would like to change and then enter the new name. And you need to simply enter this captcha, which you can see here, and you need to enter the characters that you see here, which is the captcha, or you can simply generate the new captcha if you don't clearly understand that previous one. Or you can also go for audio option so that you can listen and then you can type. And once you've changed your name, click on save, which is here on the bottom, and once you click on save, your name will be changed on your Outlook and on your Microsoft account. So that's it. That's how you can change your name, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.